In today's class, we will learn about identification and definition of types of scale given on a map. So when you are writing definition of scale, be careful. Don't write like a story. So you need to be very, very careful about the keywords. So map scale is the ratio between the distance on the map and the corresponding distance on the ground. So on the ground, that is on the surface of Earth, if it is say 1 kilometer in a topo map, it is explained through 2 centimeter. So here, from here to here, if you take this distance, this is 2 centimeter. Similarly, if you'll take this line, that is, if we're going north towards north, that is, we are taking this easting. So from here to here, this is 2 centimeter. And we know that 2 centimeter means 1 kilometer. So this 1 square kilometer. So the area is 1 square. For different types of scale, there are three ways scale is given in a topo sheet. So you can very easily, you can see here one type scale is given. This is in a very simple statement it has been given. So this is known as statement scale. The scale is indicated in the form of a written statement. In a topo sheet, 2 centimeter on the map represent 1 kilometer on the ground. So here it is. So it is 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer on the ground. Even you can write 500 meter to 1 centimeter, but stick to 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer. It is very easy to remember. And already we have seen how in that box, how it is 1 square kilometer. So 2 centimeter this side, 2 centimeter that side. So it's a 1 square kilometer. So try to remember this one. There are some pros and cons. So what it is was a good side of it. It is easier to understand as it is expressed in words. Simple. 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer. Anybody can understand that. But it is having some problem also. What is the cons? That it is difficult for those who are not familiar with the unit of measurement used. It is very, very difficult. Suppose in some country, instead of centimeter and kilometer, that means instead of metric system, they are using say inches and miles. So they will not be very comfortable working with centimeter and kilometer. So the scale will not be the same when original map is reduced or enlarged. So original map, we are changing scale, so that entire thing will get changed. Maybe that will be 4 centimeter to 1 kilometer or 8 centimeter to 1 kilometer, or some changes might take place if we are reducing or enlarging that particular map. Another one, the number 2, second type, that is representative fraction. So this is called representative fraction. Always remember, in this nominator should be always 1 and one denominator here it is 50,000. That means it can be 1 centimeter to 50,000 centimeter or 1 inch to 50,000 inch. So it doesn't matter that whether you are following metric system or other system, is absolutely fine. So this is called universal scale. It is expressed as a ratio of map distance and ground distance through numericals. So it is 1 is to 50,000. Pros, let's see what is the good side of it. Can be used universally irrespective of the local unit of measurement or distance. As I said, in some country even they are using instead of metric system, they are using say miles and inches. It is one inch, maybe 50,000 inch or any other unit, whatever is used in different country, they can use it. But it is a problem is that it doesn't give any visual representation. Okay, so that is one negative side of that. Let's go for the in third one is linear scale or graphical scale. Here we can see this is linear scale or graphical scale. It is having two division. One is called primary division. That means this is say 2 centimeters. So each 2 centimeters this way we are going. So this is 1 kilometer. Then another kilometer. So from here, if you are walking up to here, it is 2 kilometer. Up to here, it is 3 kilometer. And this side can be divided into smaller portions. So they have divided into 10 equal divisions. So 1000 meter or 1 kilometer, this is called secondary division. So the best part of linear scale is you can see visually. So let's look at the positive side. The base is calibrated to express visual equivalence of representative fraction, because we know that 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer, the same thing has been explained or expressed in a line, in a linear scale. This is linear, but it is having some problem as well. It is useful only for those who are familiar with the particular unit of measurement. If instead of centimeter, if it will get changed to inches, then entire this scale will get changed. Okay. So these are the three types. Again, I'm just again repeating. So we have learned about the definition of scale. Then we have learned three types of scale. One is statement scale. Then we have learned RF or representative fraction and linear scale.